Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make wheatgrass powder at home using an easy method. First, you'll want to harvest your wheatgrass. It's best to cut it when it's about 6 to 8 inches tall, right above the soil line. This ensures you get the most nutrient-rich part of the plant. Make sure your harvested grass is clean and ready for the next step. Once harvested, it's crucial to wash your wheatgrass properly. Rinse it well under cool, running water to remove any lingering soil or debris. After washing, gently pat it dry with a clean towel. You want to remove excess moisture before the next step. Then, spread the grass out in a thin, even layer on your dehydrator trays, preparing it for drying. Now, let's move on to dehydrating. Set your dehydrator to a low temperature, ideally around 115 degrees Fahrenheit. This low heat helps preserve the valuable nutrients. You'll need to dry the wheatgrass until it's completely brittle and snaps easily when bent. This usually takes about 4 to 6 hours, depending on your dehydrator and the grass's moisture content. Finally, it's time to turn your dried wheatgrass into powder. Use a high-speed blender or a clean coffee grinder to process the brittle grass until it's a very fine powder. For an extra smooth consistency, you can sift the powder through a fine mesh sieve. Store your homemade wheatgrass powder in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to maintain its freshness for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.